May mga nagsasabi na reyna daw ng cameras ang OPPO Reno5. Reyna? Reno? Reno? Ang tanong, worthy ba to for content creators? Let's find out. What's up guys? It's your tech tu-Ber, Reyes. Kamusta naman kayo? Ako, I'm so excited because we're gonna be taking awesome out of the box by doing a camera test with none other than the OPPO Reno5. It's legit so pretty. Like, look at that, guys. Super nice niya talaga. And that's why I wore this top, para matching kami. Joke lang. But really, I wish I can keep this phone forever. Anyway, we're gonna put this phone to the test by taking a couple of selfies, testing out the main camera, testing out its video capabilities, and of course, exploring yung mga kakaibang bagong features ng cameras ng phone na to. And by the end of all that, bibigyan natin siya ng verdict kung worthy ba ang OPPO Reno5 for content creators. And after that, I will also give you guys a quick summary of all the key specs of this phone. Alright, let's just jump into it. Okay, super sakto kasi I had to shoot a cosplay na I've been working on since last year. Medyo naudot lang because of the pandemic. But shout out to Fire Emblem Three Houses fans. Yes, this is my Edelgard cosplay. To be completely honest, ito na ata ang pinakamagandang nahawakan ko na selfie cam at 44 megapixels with AI capabilities. And, well, I guess kasi 6 years na akong iPhone 6 user. So yeah. But really, I love how the framing is wider compared to what I'm used to. So it's able to capture more of my cosplay. And this is shot by photo mode lang with natural light, tapos indoor pa. For outdoor shots, ito naman ang itsura niya. And as you can see, kahit against the light, ang galing na it automatically adjusts to make it look good. Meron din siyang pretty cool na video feature which I thought perfect for my cosplay shoot. You can put an artsy background behind you and all edited sa phone mismo. Okay, I'm sure marami sa inyo ang curious how it performs kung kunyari out of cosplay shoot. Like, for example, gusto nyo lang mag-fashion shoot sa bahay or for everyday use. Well, let's find out. For your everyday selfies, here are a couple of shots I took indoor with a small ring light. And yes, meron siyang built-in na beautification. No need to use any other external apps. Here's the sample at default, 40%. At ito naman yung tsura pag 100% sagad. As for me, I prefer siguro at 5% para medyo bawas sa eye bags. And of course, let's try out the video capabilities of the OPPO Reno5. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it with the current camera I'm using. Alright, and this is now the OPPO Reno5 shooting, and I'm also using the audio, and I also took out the usual ring lights that I have sa side in my usual setup. And as you can see, ginabi na ako. So I'm actually just using indoor light, and it's still so good, right? What do you guys think? Alright, let's switch back. And we're back with my trusty Canon. Okay, so after reviewing the video we just took, I think it's pretty good. What do you guys think? And you know what? Since parang sobrang ginagalingan ng OPPO Reno5, I'm gonna level up the test just a little bit. So I know marami sa inyo ang mahilig gumawa ng song covers. Ako rin, honestly, nung lockdown, stress reliever ko talaga siya. Hanggang ngayon, actually. And so I wanna try doing a song cover using the OPPO Reno5. I dedicate this to you guys. Happy Chinese New Year and advance Happy Valentine's Day. Let's go! 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight, shining through the city with the little funkin' souls. I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so after reviewing the clip we just took, what do you guys think? For me, I'm really impressed na ang lakas ng pickup ng audio. Like, even if I'm playing the ukulele and singing, rinig pareho. So, yeah, and I'm honestly easy to please. So, for me, OPPO is my new Oppa. Anyway, wow, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan with the OPPO Reno5. And guess what? Selfie cam pa lang yun. So, let's find out kung kamusta ang main camera. 64 megapixels ang main camera plus ultra-wide cam na 8 megapixels at 2 megapixels macro at mono. So yeah, let's put these numbers to the test. For the main camera, ang galing talaga ng AI. And actually, medyo scary na yung pagkagaling niya kasi it identifies everything. And depending sa ma-identify niya, siya mismo ang mag-a-adjust for you. Here's a sample video with AI and without. What do you guys think? And which do you guys prefer? And to test out the main shooter, say hello to my cats, Fudge and Anya. Mag-asawa talaga sila, so I wanted to feature them since malapit na ang Valentine's Day. This is just shot indoor, and honestly, our lighting situation is not ideal. Medyo madilim. But as you can see, kayang-kaya pa rin ang powers ng OPPO. For glorious outdoor shots, I'd like to introduce you guys to the latest addition sa plantita family namin ng mom ko. I swear, dati sobrang takot ako sa plants kasi wala talaga akong green thumb. Pero I have to admit na during the lockdown, super therapeutic pala mag-alaga ng plants. Okay, so maraming magagandang pakulo ang OPPO Reno5. And aside from the usuals like slow-mo mode, panoramic, time-lapse, and even yung AI mixed portrait that we tried earlier, marami pang iba. And don't worry, cause we're going to catch them all, try them all. Okay, so meron siyang dual view video, which we are using right now. And super sakto because I just got a package from MIA MAISON. And we are actually gonna do the official unboxing of this thing using this camera feature. So while I try to open this box, let's do like a quick background lang about this product. So MIA MAISON is actually kilala for their home fragrances. Wait lang, kailangan kong iantay. Ayan, ang ganda ng ribbon. And super excited na ako kasi sa house, love na love talaga namin ang mga essential oils. As in, we really love using essential oils. So I'm super excited. And you can also get your luck box for only 1,000 pesos. Yeah, that's right. For only 1,000 pesos. And yung laman niya is actually random, but it ranges from 1,400 pesos to 3,000 plus pesos. So, feel ko talaga walang luck dito. As in, panalo ka na for sure. And before I do the reveal, I would just like to tell you guys na the promo is actually starting right now. You can get your own MIA MAISON lock box until Feb 28, 2021. So go na bago matapos ang promo, alright? I will link their shops down below sa description. Okay, now let us find out if we got lucky or like I said, winner naman talaga tayo. It's a aroma diffuser. It's an atomizer. Oh my gosh, and it's ultrasonic. I can't wait to open and use it already. This is gonna be perfect for my workstation. Because, you know, thank you MIA MAISON dahil super helpful talaga to because I really spend 99% of my time being here at home. So super helpful. And what is this? It comes with something else. It's a eucalyptus essential oil. Oh my gosh, the scent of balance. Nice, thank you so much. So we got an atomizer and an essential oil with this very special MIA MAISON lock box. Thank you so much, MIA MAISON. Now anyway, I think we should go back to OPPO and check out its other camera features. Merong ding Pro Expert, and I think perfect siya for professional photographers kasi you can really adjust everything. And may extra HD. If you think maganda na yung shots kanina, meron pang extra. And I think perfect to for capturing textures. Meron ding special feature na text scanner which is helpful for kunwari, mahirap basahin yung mga maliliit na labels in snacks or even in other printed materials. It works like a magnifying glass, which is pretty cool. And of course, meron ding macro for capturing the tiny details. At ito naman ang night mode niya. It makes night shots better para mas kita ang details. Ang filters naman niya ay magaganda rin. Here are some sample shots. So, what do you guys think? I think masyadong ginagalingan ng OPPO. And honestly, na-attach na ako sa phone na to. So yeah, my verdict for this is certified awesome. But I also want to throw the question back at you guys. What do you think? Sa tingin nyo ba, perfect ang OPPO Reno5 for content creators? Let me know! And now, before we end, just a quick summary of its key specs. For a more in-depth review, you can drop by our website and check out our Married with Tech episode where Jamie and Leia talk about their favorite features. And that's it for today! Maraming salamat for staying all the way to the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon para ma-notify kayo kung meron kaming mga bagong videos. We'd also like to invite you to visit our website, unbox.ph, our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Lazada. And don't forget rin to tell your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. #sub2unbox. Because if we hit 250,000 subscribers, we're gonna be giving away a phone. Woohoo! Once again, this has been your Tech tu-Ber, Reyes, signing off. Take care always, guys, and God bless you all. Saranghe!